Your transformation begins now. This is the moment you decide to take control, to sculpt the body you've always dreamed of. It's a journey of self-discovery, pushing your limits and emerging stronger, healthier, and more confident than ever before. Ready to feel incredible? Imagine waking up each day with boundless energy, feeling light, agile, and ready to conquer any challenge. This isn't just about aesthetics, it's about feeling truly alive and vibrant from the inside out. Imagine waking up energized, strong, and proud of your progress. Seeing the changes in the mirror, feeling the strength in your muscles, and knowing that you're on the right path. This is the power of consistent effort and a clear understanding of how your body works. Forget confusing diets and quick fixes. We're not interested in fleeting trends or restrictive eating plans that leave you feeling deprived and miserable. Today, we're getting back to basics. We're focusing on sustainable strategies, simple exercises, and wholesome foods that nourish your body and fuel your transformation. We're unlocking the single most important secret to transforming your body, the key that opens the door to lasting results and a healthier, happier you. And it's simpler than you think. It's not about complex formulas or impossible routines, it's about understanding a fundamental principle that governs how your body gains and loses weight. This isn't about starving or endless gym hours. We're not advocating for extreme measures or unsustainable habits. It's about understanding your body and working with it. Learning to listen to its signals, respecting its needs, and finding a balance that allows you to thrive. You have the power to change, and it all starts with one simple concept. A concept that, once grasped, will empower you to make informed decisions about your diet and exercise. This journey is about taking control of your health in a way that lasts, building sustainable habits, creating a lifestyle that supports your goals, and enjoying the process along the way. We'll focus on the fundamental principle that governs weight loss, the cornerstone of any successful transformation, the caloric deficit. Understanding what it is, how it works, and how to implement it effectively. Once you get this, everything else clicks into place. The confusing world of nutrition and fitness suddenly becomes clear and manageable. Get excited. This is the beginning of something amazing. You're about to learn the science behind getting lean, and I'll be with you every step of the way, providing guidance, support, and motivation to help you achieve your goals. We'll break it down into easy, manageable chunks, so you never feel overwhelmed. Each lesson will build upon the previous one, creating a solid foundation of knowledge and understanding. We'll cover what calories are, the fundamental units of energy that fuel our bodies, how your body uses them, exploring the fascinating process of metabolism and how it impacts your weight, and how to tweak your intake for your goals. Learning to personalize your diet and create a sustainable plan that works for you. So grab a notepad, get comfortable, and let's get started. Prepare to embark on a journey of learning, growth, and transformation. The journey to the person you want to be starts right here, right now. Take a deep breath, embrace the challenge, and let's begin. The secret to fat loss. It's a concept that's both simple and powerful, a fundamental principle that governs how our bodies gain or lose weight. It's not about restrictive diets or unsustainable habits, it's about understanding the energy balance within your body. What exactly is a caloric deficit? Let's break it down and make it crystal clear. A caloric deficit occurs when you consume fewer calories than your body burns in a day. It's the cornerstone of any successful fat loss journey. Think of it as creating an energy gap that your body needs to fill. Think of your body like a car. It needs fuel to run, and that fuel comes from the food we eat, measured in calories. If you put in less fuel than it needs to operate, it doesn't just stop. It taps into its reserves to keep going. It starts using the fuel that's been stored for later. For us, that reserve is stored body fat. It's the energy our bodies have carefully saved for times when we need it. When you consistently create a caloric deficit, your body is forced to burn that stored fat for energy to make up the difference. This is the fundamental process that drives fat loss. And that's how fat loss happens, plain and simple. It's not about magic pills or fad diets, it's about creating this energy imbalance. Your body burns energy all the time, even when you're just relaxing, sleeping, or simply existing. This is your basal metabolic rate, the energy required to keep you alive. If you eat approximately the same amount of calories as you burn each day, your weight will likely stay the same. You're in a state of energy balance. Eat more calories than you burn, and your body stores the excess energy as fat, leading to weight gain. Eat less calories than you burn, and your body taps into those fat reserves, leading to weight loss. Every single successful fat loss plan, regardless of the specific diet or trendy name, ultimately works by creating a caloric deficit. Whether it's keto, paleo, intermittent fasting, or any other approach, the underlying principle remains the same. The best part is, you don't have to completely cut out the foods you love to achieve a caloric deficit. You just need to be mindful and aware of your total energy balance, making sure that your overall calorie intake is less than your calorie expenditure. Understanding this simple concept puts you firmly in control of your weight loss journey. It empowers you, letting you lose fat effectively while still enjoying a balanced and satisfying diet. Remember, to lose body fat, you absolutely must be in a caloric deficit. There's no way around it. It's not just a suggestion or a theory, it's a fundamental law of thermodynamics, the science that governs energy transfer. By consistently eating slightly fewer calories than you burn each day, week after week, your body will inevitably begin to use its stored fat reserves as fuel, leading to a reduction in body fat. It's not magic, a quick fix, or a miracle cure. It's simply applied science, a predictable and reliable process. And the best part is that anyone, regardless of their background or current fitness level, can successfully implement this principle and achieve their fat loss goals. To master fat loss, it's essential to grasp the fundamental principles that govern how your body utilizes energy. Think of your body as an engine, constantly burning fuel to keep you going. You need to understand both sides of the energy equation. This equation, at its core, is quite simple: calories in versus calories out. Calories in and calories out. It's the balance between these two that ultimately determines whether you gain, lose, or maintain your weight. Calories in is all the energy you consume from food and drink. It represents the total caloric value of everything you ingest throughout the day. Everything counts except water. Every bite, every sip, contributes to your daily calorie in total. Tracking your calories in is the first step to taking control. By understanding how much you're consuming, you can begin to make informed choices about your diet. Calories out is more complex, a multifaceted process that involves several key components, made up of 4 parts. Each of these parts plays a significant role in determining your overall energy expenditure. The biggest is your basal metabolic rate, BMR, the foundation upon which your daily energy expenditure is built, the energy your body burns just to stay alive. It's the energy required for essential functions like breathing, circulation, and cell maintenance. BMR is influenced by age, gender, weight, and muscle mass. These factors interact to determine your individual BMR. More muscle means a higher BMR. Muscle tissue is more metabolically active than fat tissue, requiring more energy to maintain. Next is the thermic effect of food, TEF, a smaller but still important contributor to calories out. The energy used to digest food. Your body expends energy breaking down and absorbing the nutrients from your meals. Protein has the highest TEF. It requires more energy to digest compared to carbohydrates or fats. Then comes exercise activity thermogenesis, EAT, the calories you burn through structured workouts. Calories burned during planned exercise. This includes everything from hitting the gym to going for a run. Finally, non-exercise activity thermogenesis, NEAT, often an overlooked but significant factor, all the energy you burn from daily movements like walking, fidgeting, or taking the stairs. It's the energy you expend outside of planned exercise and sleeping. Upping your NEAT is an easy way to increase calories out. Small changes in your daily habits can make a big difference over time. All these factors add up to your total daily energy expenditure, or TDE. This is the total number of calories you burn in a day. Understanding both sides of the equation gives you the power to adjust and reach your goals. By manipulating your calorie in and calorie out, you can effectively control your weight. Control your intake. Move more. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods and find activities you enjoy. And you control your results. It's about creating a sustainable lifestyle that supports your health and fitness aspirations. Now for the practical bit, finding your maintenance calories. Your maintenance calories are the number you need to eat each day to keep your weight the same. This is your personal energy budget and the baseline for all adjustments. The quickest way to estimate this is with a free online calorie calculator. Just enter your age, gender height, weight, and activity level. For more accuracy, track your daily calorie intake and weight. Do this for 1 to 2 weeks. Log everything you eat and weigh yourself each morning. After a week, average your daily calories and your weight. If your weight stays the same, you've found your maintenance level. If you gain, you're eating too much. If you lose, you're eating too little. This method gives you a personalized picture of your metabolism. Knowing your maintenance calories is the foundation for your next steps. Once you know your maintenance calories, it's time to set your goal. For fat loss, create a deficit of 300 to 500 calories below maintenance. This helps you lose fat steadily while preserving muscle. Avoid extreme deficits, they can backfire and slow your metabolism. For example, if your maintenance is 2,500 calories, aim for 2,000 to 2,200 calories per day. A 500 calorie daily deficit equals about 1 pound of fat loss per week. For muscle gain, do the opposite. Eat 200 to 300 calories above maintenance. This fuels muscle growth while minimizing fat gain. If your maintenance is 2,500, aim for 2,700 to 2,800 calories per day. Keep the surplus small and controlled to avoid excess fat gain. Find the sweet spot for your goal, steady fat loss or lean muscle gain. Calories matter most for weight change, but the type of calories you eat shapes your results and energy. These are called macronutrients: protein, carbohydrates, and fats. Protein is essential for building and preserving muscle, especially in a deficit. It also keeps you full. Carbohydrates are your body's main fuel. Choose complex carbs like oats, brown rice, and whole wheat bread for lasting energy. Don't fear carbs. They're vital for performance and recovery. Fats are crucial for hormone production, vitamin absorption, and protecting your organs. They're energy-dense, so watch portions. Protein and carbs have 4 calories per gram, fats have 9. For fat loss, a common macro split is 40% protein, 40% carbs, 20% fats, but adjust to what works for you. Balancing your macros helps you feel satisfied and supports your goals. Focus on quality sources for each macro to maximize your results. Now let's put your knowledge into action with the right tools. Use a food tracking app like MyFitnessPal or Chronometer to log your meals easily. A digital food scale makes portion sizes accurate, no more guessing. Weigh calorie-dense foods like oils, nuts, and pasta for best results. For calories out, a fitness tracker or smartwatch can help monitor your activity and motivate you to move more. These devices aren't perfect, but they're great for tracking trends and boosting your NEAT. Track your progress by weighing yourself daily and taking a weekly average. Don't obsess over daily fluctuations. Look at the trend over time. Take progress photos and body measurements every few weeks to see changes beyond the scale. Consistent tracking keeps you accountable and shows your hard work paying off. Let's bring it all together. The caloric deficit is the key to fat loss. No magic diets, just energy balance. You know how to find your maintenance calories and adjust for your goals. For fat loss, create a modest deficit for muscle gain, a small surplus. Macros matter. Prioritize protein, choose complex carbs, and include healthy fats. Use tracking tools to monitor your intake, activity, and progress. Focus on weekly trends, not daily numbers. This isn't about restriction. It's about smart, balanced choices that fuel your goals. You have the knowledge, tools, and power to transform. Your journey starts now. Let's smash those goals. Ready to take action? Here are 5 tips to kickstart your fat loss journey. First, calculate your maintenance calories with a free online TD calculator and write it down. Second, download a food tracking app and log your last meal to get comfortable with tracking. Third, include a lean protein source at your next meal to help you feel fuller and protect muscle. Fourth, take a brisk 10-minute walk today. Boost your daily movement. Fifth, prep one healthy meal for tomorrow. Having a ready meal makes staying on track easier. Don't try to do everything at once. Pick 1 or 2 tips and build from there. Small steps lead to big results. Consistency is key. Keep showing up for yourself. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small. You've got this. Your transformation starts today. If this helped you, smash that like button, subscribe for more no BS fitness content, and drop your current goal in the comments, bulking or cutting. See you in the next video.